Over the years, Play Store have had some major changes in their UI. If you want to check the version of any app on Play Store without installing it, here's how to do it. Open your Play Store app. We're going to use SofaScore as an example. So if you want to check the version of any app, you have to click on the small arrow over here about this app. You click on the arrow, it will take you to the details about the app. All you have to do is to scroll all the way down, scroll down to the last section. You're going to see the app version, which is 25.09.11. So that's how you check the version of apps on Play Store. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.